Hello and welcome to another video on daily weather charts. These videos diagnose the current weather pattern and discuss how it will play out for the upcoming day. Today's charts are valid for August 14th, 2023, and if you enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe, and we'll get started. I'm going to start today as we normally do with the upper level water vapor imagery, and the main player for today is going to be this upper level swirl you see centered over Iowa, and that is a pretty organized storm system that is over the Midwestern states. And that's going to be pushing off to the east later today. And so as we look at the radar, we have a couple batches of showers and storms to look at. I'll zoom in here to the regional view. So we have one batch of showers and storms that is over the upper Midwest and Great Lakes region. And then we have another batch of showers and storms that are over the eastern Ohio Valley this morning. And so currently none of these storms are severe, but that is probably going to change as we go through today, as we'll have another couple more rounds of severe thunderstorms for parts of the eastern United States. So with that, we're going to go to our upper air charts this morning, and we're going to start at 300 millibars. We're looking for the jet stream. So the jet stream this morning is located over the Midwestern states and up through the Great Lakes in northeastern U.S. And this is a pretty strong branch of the jet stream, thanks to this strong upper level low that is over the upper Midwest today. And so we're going to look down here at 500 millibars, and we have a shortwave trough that is over the Midwestern states. You see here, and then we have our trough axis that is over Iowa and Missouri. And so with strong upper level support with this storm system, that's going to translate down to the lower levels. Down at 850 millibars, we have at least a modest low-level mass response with about a 30 to 35 knot low-level jet that is over Kentucky and Tennessee. And that is going to translate to the east as we go through today. And as we know, the low-level jet is responsible for transporting heat and moisture to our target region. And it also increases the low-level wind shear. So that helps increase the severe weather potential. And then we're going to go down to the surface. And we have a surface low that is located over northern Illinois, and with a cold front that is trailing down into the southern states of the U.S. And we have a warm front that is situated over the Rust Belt states and into the Mid-Atlantic region. And so this is going to help set the stage for severe thunderstorms today. And this is the severe weather outlook that is hot off the press that was updated just about 20 minutes ago. We have the standard level 2 out of 5 slight risk for severe weather for the eastern parts of the Ohio and Tennessee valleys, and that stretches up into the Mid-Atlantic region for later this evening. And then we have a marginal risk surrounding that slight risk. All hazards are possible for today, with damaging winds being the primary concern. Also could see a few hail reports for parts of the Ohio Valley and into West Virginia, and also for parts of the Great Lakes region. And then also can't rule out a couple of tornadoes, with the highest tornado potential being over the DC area and into parts of Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And so I also want to look at the temperature map, how it has changed over the past 24 hours. And so I want to show that this is a pretty strong cold front that's going to be coming through the central and eastern United States. Over parts of Texas and Oklahoma, we have a nice 10 to 15 degree temperature drop over parts of the southern plains. And that is going to translate eastward as we go through the next couple of days. And so that's going to bring some good relief from the heat that we've had over the past month or so. And so it's still going to be warm. Obviously, it's still summertime, but we are going to see a nice temperature drop into for parts of the southeast. We could see temperatures into the 80s, and for August, that's a pretty strong cold front. And so that's going to cover it for the forecast portion of this video. And so now we're going to look into the tropics. So this is the National Hurricane Center 7-day tropical weather outlook. And they are watching a couple of disturbances for this week. The first one they're watching is a tropical wave that's going to be moving off the coast of Africa later this week, and some slow development of that system is possible over the next 7 days. And then the second area they're watching is an area of low pressure that could develop later this week, and under the right conditions, we can end up getting a tropical system out of that later this week. And so with that, also gonna end with the tropics hazard outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. And so this is valid for week 2, which is August 16th through the 22nd. And then we also have week 3, August 23rd through the 29th. So basically up through the end of August. And we're going to focus on the Atlantic portion of this. So starting with week 1, or technically week 2, but this is going to be updated later this week. And so we have an area of tropical development possible for this later this week and into the beginning of next week. And then as we go into the following week, August 23rd through the 29th, that area shifts off to the west over the western Atlantic. And so this is just going to show that while hurricane season has been quiet over the past several weeks, that is expected to change as we go towards the end of the month and as we head towards the peak of our hurricane season. And so that is going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.